Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using these white pots and creating this marble look using nail polish. So if you would like to see how I achieve this, then keep watching. Alright, so first things first, you want a clear container with water, and then you're going to take your first nail polish. Make sure that you pour it close to the water. If you pour it too high, it will go straight to the bottom of the tub. So pour the nail polish close to the water so you can make your designs. So after you have put all of your different colors into the water, you can go ahead and grab your pot. I decided to roll my pot into the water, but you can dip it inside of the water. You can just pretty much do whatever you choose to do depending on what type of design you're going for. But due to me wanting a marble look, I decided to roll the pot into the water, which you'll see me doing right now. And guys, if you drop your pot into the water, it will be fine. It will not move. And please make sure that you wear gloves because this can get really messy. And I don't know what I was thinking, but on the next clip you'll see me with gloves on. So please make sure you do that at the beginning as well. And then I'm just going to repeat those steps. Oh, and I also take a wooden stick or cute toothpick, whatever you have that can that's long and can grab the fingernail polish out of the water. You can also do that as well for cleanup. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing those same steps, and I will be doing the rest of my two pots. Enjoy.